plate holding him, 4-pin leveler, and that's Chris who did your rock guard.
Beautiful,
Chris. You can pull around here. We got your new LED marker lights. When you watch my videos, you know this is why we don't put the AC on the other side, because I'll pump out all the hot air. So this is your city water in. It's white, so that's your city water. This is your 30 amp. This is your electric approval from, I think, California, but it's matched. So I put it back under there.
I love it.
This is your gray water out, so when you wash your hands and everything, it just, you run a little hose, you know. Now, everything of this used to be over in here, but that's not convenient for what we do now. So this vent is a vent to nowhere. This is an outlet to nowhere. And this was so cool, I had to leave it on there. That's your old water in, but it's a vent, it's a bridge to nowhere as well. But I put it back on there and cleaned it up. I think it's so cool.
Cute.
This is where your stove overhead the range hood was. So I butyl taped all that in, put that back up there because there's a big hole there anyway.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because I didn't hit play.
And here's your marker light that's LED. And I got your new
Where'd
wedding
you get
cake.
those?
Hey, I know things.
Are they from, did you get them from
Vintage
Vintage?
trailer, yeah.
Do they have them now?
I think they're back out of them.
Oh.
And
My
again,
gosh,
wedding
that's a
cake.
big window.
I told you.
Wow! If I find a Aristocrat bumper, could you put it
Yes.
on? I'll just, okay.
Sure, I'll try to figure it out.
Okay.
Over on this side, I know it's not Aristocrat, but I put it down because, you know, here's the thing about these. This is a rain gutter. This is a rain gutter, but this is a built-in rain gutter. This doesn't need a gutter. And when they put it upside down, it had to have a gutter. So now you're double guttered.
Perfect. Well, and then when you have it upside down, then if you drop something heavy on it,
Yes.
gravity.
Yes. Same here. These don't need gutters. I don't know. They just put gutters on them. See, they're like these. They don't need a gutter, but it's got a gutter. Your rims are very rusty. But I did the best I could and painted them. No warranty on the rims. On the
Okay.
paint. And again, over here, what's your level?
Okay.
Over here. I did the best I could with your door. I know this doesn't look the best, but it's solid. Okay. And I've got those Bargman locks. I couldn't get them to unlock to work,
Okay.
so I got them. You can take them with you. Here are your keys. It does.
Oh, keys.
It does shut and open hard right now, but that's okay because we want it to stay shut. So when you shut it, just give it a good one.
Okay.
Is everybody ready?
Okay, I'm ready. I can't believe it.
Shoot, it's locked and jammed. We can't get in.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big step. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so nice.
Can you guess what we were working on?
No idea.
Backsplash and the lamp.
Oh my gosh. Look at that lamp.
Oh my gosh. Seriously.
So cute. Oh, I love the counter.
Okay, couple of things. If you'll, I don't know your name. What's your name?
Magnolia.
Magnolia. My name's Rob. Okay, you've got storage right here,
Uh-huh.
and this is it's just a shelf because we didn't want to have a, 85-inch wide everything. So that's just a shelf, over here, no storage, but look in the secret compartment.
Oh yay! There she is.
Ta-da!
Toilet.
That's your toilet. So cool.
Why did that just happen? Oh well. Over time, it'll do that. Okay, now to put the table up and down, it's still new, and it's all aluminum. So there's a little push button right here. So you push this, it won't stay up on its. Oh, watch it. Okay, so it comes up and out. Now it comes out easy. Of course, this just goes down here to make your bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be tricky for a little bit so it hits this curb up in here, and then the bottom part drops into there.
Okay,
just-
so it's an up and in.
Yeah, and it's just, these things just never go on exactly straight. So we put it in. Now,
Perfect.
here, Jesus. Yeah, 2 people, it's really easy. 1 person, not so much.
Ah. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest.
I love it.
Look, this is exactly.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, okay, this
Your
is
video.
exactly what I wanted. Ooh, this bed is nice.
And there's an outlet there,
Okay,
and
yay.
there's an outlet there, and then
Yay.
there's an outlet in the back one.
So
So everybody can charge their phones at different ends.
Nice. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this is the same trailer.
That's why I wanted you to watch that one.
Yes, I had already watched. I
Oh,
watched it
okay.
the first time you posted it, but then I made him watch it with me. This bed is
All of
big.
this is the coolest in the whole wide world. One of them,
Sorry.
see, they're just like little nubs on them.
Mhm.
And so it could, if you get rough with it, it could come out, but it's fixable. It's not a big deal. But just spin them carefully, the correct way. Try to do them evenly. Look at that.
And then you have a vent.
Isn't that cool?
So
I love this. And I love these.
Oh my
All of your
God.
windows are operational. I cleaned them up. I put WD-40 on them for a week. This is not original to the camper. So that's why this is like this. It was tore up because they changed it. So I tried to make it smooth so you're not cutting yourself. But on these, I probably smell them, I'm sorry.
Oh, I probably smell too.
So we go up and then you just
Ooh,
bolt
that's
those in. Oh,
nice.
I tell you, when it
Good
was
breeze.
only like
Wait, look, these.
70 something this morning, I opened all these windows up. It was like beautiful in here. Of course, these all just like this.
Oh my
all these
gosh.
Gelasi's are so cool.
I
So
like this
cool.
mini windows. How do you do this?
Now on these
See in here.
on these small windows up here, they've got a catch on them.
Oh,
You got
that's
to
so
pull them out. See, there's that little catch there. So this goes up and it can sit there. When you pull it in, you got to pull it down, push it this way a little bit, push it in, and then kind of over, like that. And then that holds it for when you're driving.
I cannot even. I can't even. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Air conditioner. Okay, I've got it.
So when I'm driving down the road, should the table be down?
Okay, there's a big debate on that. I say down because where's it going to go? It's not going to go up. If it's
Right.
up, where can it go? Down.
Down.
That is to your
Outside?
little door, outside door.